Hey guys, so today I have the June Witch Casket box to show you. I am pretty late on this, I do apologise. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do ship it worldwide. I'll put all of the prices that I do know down below in the description. But we are just going to open this and I'm going to show you what is in here. So this month, or last month I should say, the theme is Sun and Moon. And it seems to be a black and white theme, which I feel like are my favourite ones, honestly. This is just a little booklet that tells you about everything in the box. We're not going to go through it because I'm going to show you, but that is what that is. Then right on top we have our little art print for the month. So this one is just a little black and white sun and moon. And if you don't want to use it as an art print, it does also have a monthly manifestations thing on the back. So it says, what are my goals this month? What practical steps can I take to reach these goals? And what magical steps can I take to reach these goals? Then we have our spell kit for the month. So this one says, Day to Night Ritual Kit for Moving On and Manifesting. A ritual incorporating the magical energies of the sun and moon to help with moving on and manifesting the life you desire. So let's open this and see what is in here. Okay, so we have our little instruction card. I will hold that up so you can read it in a second. We also have a sandalwood incense stick, a black candle, and a little piece of paper as well. So they are the three things needed for this little spell kit. And this is the instructions in case anyone wants to pause and read it. Hopefully you can read it, it looks a little fuzzy on my screen. And that was everything in the Day to Night Ritual Kit for Moving On and Manifesting. Then next we have a tarot pendant. It says it's stainless steel inspired by the major arcana tarot cards. This magical double-sided pendant depicts the sun and the moon. Okay, it is pretty cute. Maybe not 100% my style, but it is quite cute though. So it is just a little silver. It's not showing up great on here for some reason. Little silver pendant. It has the sun on that side. Anyway, hopefully you can kind of see it. I don't know why it's so bright and weird today. And then on that side it has the moon. So double-sided little necklace. Then next we have our crystal or gemstone for the month, and this one is a sunstone and a moonstone. We have two little stones in here. One is an orangey colour and one is a grey kind of colour. So that is what they look like. Pretty cool little stones. So I'm gonna assume that this one is probably the moonstone. I could be wrong, but I'm just guessing. It says a moonstone is a gentle feminine stone of inner strength, intuition and growth. A stone which calms emotions and heightens intuition. It can be an excellent aid to peaceful sleep and prophetic dreams. And then sunstone is an inspiring stone which encourages passion, confidence and independence. An amazing energizer, sunstone can help with lethargy caused by despair. Why do I feel like I can't say that? Or sorrow. It is also a great stone for attracting prosperity and success. Tongue twisters today. So that is moonstone and sunstone in there. Then next we have bigger box. So just moving some of these packing peanuts out of the way. We have a box. It is Sun and Moon water stacking jars. It says harness the solar and lunar energies by creating magical water to use in your craft. Two beautiful receptacles for creating and storing your sun and moon water. Okay. Oh, they are quite cute actually. They are giving medicine vibes to me. I don't know if that's because of the colour. They're very well stuck in here. We have two one is, oh, it's showing up very orange on camera. In person, this is more of a dark ambery kind of colour. That's why it was giving medicine to me. It's got this sun embossed on the front. And then this one is a darker grey colour with a moon on it. And they have cork lids that are kind of indented, so they would stand on each other as well. So that is our little sun and moon water jars. Then we just have some little spell candles, sun and moon spell candles. It says yellow for the sun, grey for the moon. These high quality spell candles allow you to invoke the energy of these powerful celestial bodies. So that is what they look like, just little mini grey and yellow candles. And then we have one box left before the scroll and the incense, and that is this Sun and Moon Altar Tray Set. It says a beautifully designed set of trays to represent the sun and moon on your altar. A practical yet enchanting addition to any witch's space. Let's have a see. Oh, they are quite pretty. Okay, so I'm not really sure that they're trays. They're very shallow, but they're very pretty though, and they would also be cute like a wall decoration. So this one is the sun one. It says witch casket on the back. They are metal. And then this one is the moon one. Again, it says witch casket. I'm assuming they kind of go like this. Very pretty. Like I say, that would also be a cute little wall decoration. You could get some like sticky pads to stick those on the wall if you wanted to, but they are supposed to be like a tray kind of thing on your altar. Very cute. So that was the sun and moon altar tray set. And then we have two sets of incense. We have moon incense and sun incense. So the sun are a magical blend of jasmine and lavender. It says, light the incense and affirm, as I connect to the sun and his powerful energy, I draw great strength down to me. They smell pretty nice, honestly. And then we have moon, which is cinnamon and chamomile. And for this one, it says, light the incense and affirm, as I connect to the moon and her calming energy, I draw powerful peace down to me. Don't love those because I don't like cinnamon, but that is fine. So that is our two little packs of incense. And then we have our little scroll, which I will hold up in case anyone wants to pause and read. Again, moon and sun themed, but this one is about water. So it's about how to make moon water and sun water. And yeah, that was everything in the witch casket for June. So I'll quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once. So we had the little mini art print, the day to night ritual kit for moving on and manifesting, the sun and moon incense sticks, the metal altar tray set, the sun and moon little spell candles, the sunstone and the moonstone, the stainless steel tarot pendant necklace, the sun and moon water stacking jars, and the little scroll as well. I've just realised we don't have a pin this month, which is very unusual. I feel like you always get a pin, so maybe because we got two stones or the necklace or something, we don't have a pin. But this is everything that was in the June sun and moon witch casket box. I don't mind this one. I feel like this was a fine box. These little trays are really cute. I would say they're probably my favourite thing. I liked the little jars and stuff as well, so you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I feel like this is a nice general sized box that they do. I will put all of the information for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.